Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching. Welcome to my first vlog. Today's goal is simple. I think we're gonna go to a place called Grillies on Dundas. Check it out. A good friend of mine, Joey, said they have really good burgers, great tacos. So I can't wait to see. This will be a nice little shot over here. Let's wait for the train.
Arriving at Dundas Station. Doors will open on the right.
Go for a nice little walk, take some pictures. See how it goes. Oh, and most importantly, get some good food. How's it going?
That I'm not going to sell him.
I like this shot. Beauty. We are. Take a picture of it.
They want their window front?
The bacon cheeseburger.
Okay. So you want a spicy, barbecue, medium or plain?
Let's do spicy, please.
Cheddar, mozzarella,
Mozzarella.
toppings. You can have it from it.
Okay, we'll do lettuce, onions,
Okay.
hot pepper, and grilled onion, please.
Okay. And dressings.
We'll do mayo,
Okay.
and no, that should be good. Just mayo.
Any fancy drinks?
No, and then I'll also get the 3 taco special, please.
Okay.
I can't see them.
So which meat you want?
Let's do chicken, beef, and veggie, please.
Soft or hot?
Hard,
Spicy, barbecue, medium or plain?
spicy for all 3,
With cheese?
with cheese. Yep.
Toppings?
We'll just do lettuce, tomato, onions, and hot peppers, please.
Okay. And dressings?
We'll do chipotle and hot sauce. Great, thank you so much. Have a good day. Maybe I need to check out this spot next. Hold on. Okay, so we've secured the bag. Now it's time to make my way home and just enjoy this. I'm so hungry. So hungry. Can't wait.
Line 1, Fort Finch. Please stand clear of the doors. Line 1, Fort Finch. Please stand clear of the doors.
A little burger joint. Damn. Hey. Got the tacos. Wait, what? Oh my God. Let me take a picture of this. All right, bon appetit. Listen, guys, I'll be honest, I don't even know where to start. The veggie taco was delicious. The beef taco, as you can see, it's not even here. I inhaled it. And now we're on to the chicken taco. And my goodness, it's delicious. Right? Up to the burger now. Let's see what it's in for. Okay, first off, this burger weighs like 5 pounds. Okay? And I mean, it looks great, but we'll see. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know, I did everything I could. This burger is 10 out of 10. I just can't finish it. It's a lot of food. No cap. Listen, when you do get a chance, 1,000,000% go to Grillies on Dundas. It's on Dundas and Jarvis. 100% get the tacos. I personally like hard shell tacos, but listen, different strokes for different folks. I only got one burger, and that was the bacon cheeseburger. Again, it's 10 out of 10. But yeah, I'm tapping out. If you enjoyed the vlog, I mean, this is my first one. Nothing special. I'm working on it 100%. I promise you, there's going to be tons of content coming out. More places to try. More photographs to take. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.